Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's take a look at the gold market. Although you can see that our bet on the possible upward action based on this engulfing pattern, as we have discussed yesterday, hasn't happened because surprisingly the Alexis Tsipras has announced that has made the statement that Greece is ready to start a conversation with the creditors and to start the discussion on the possible restructuring of the huge government's debt. And that was some relief for the markets. As you can see that the euro currency also has shown appreciation, and on this news you can see the gold has shown some drop. But still, that hasn't been the drastic drop, because market now stands above this same low, and it just has returned right back down to the 1250 support area. And as market still holds above this low, it keeps chances on the possible upward action. Especially if we suggest, for example, bad non-farm payrolls data, that could push market higher, and chances on the immediate upward action still exists. If market will take out of these lows, in this case we will probably start to speak about deeper A, B, C, D retracement on the gold market. But right now, chances still exist that market could turn to the upside action. That also confirms by 4-hour time frame chart. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we see that this really very significant support. It's not just the 1250 area. It's also, as you can see, monthly pivot point that has been tested. This February pivot point is also weekly pivot support one, and market still holds above it. So if market will hold here, we could get the butterfly patterns 1618 with the target around 1342. Why we use the 1618 extension? Because that will be the monthly pivot resistance one, and that will be also yearly pivot resistance one. And we know that markets gravitate to these significant levels as market has moved above the yearly pivot point, and gold market has done this. The next logical long-term destination in the yearly pivot resistance one. And that's why if market will continue to move higher, we probably could count even on this upward action right to the 1342. Now is the major question whether the market will be able to hold above this low. And difficult to say whether we will get the clarity on this question within the nearest couple of sessions, but probably we will get the answer on Friday on the non-farm payrolls release. So let's see what will happen. And if you still have long positions on the gold market, as we have discussed yesterday, if you move your stops to the break even on this brand body entry and you have the half of your position, you could still keep it. So because anything could change, the market could return right back down to the upward action.